This is a Payne Furnace. My problem was it wouldn't start. But I found that this motor was buzzing. This wouldn't turn. This is the Payne inducer fan. It wouldn't turn. It would just buzz. I bought the new part, and once I bought the new part, it went all the way to the cycles, all the way to the igniter. The igniter would turn red, but there was no gas. That means there was something wrong with this one. If your furnace goes all the way to the igniter and the igniter lasts like 3, 4, 5 seconds, red, and it doesn't turn on, then all the sensors are fine. Everything's fine. It's this right here, where there's no gas going. It's not opening the valve. Just make sure you have this on and you have paid your gas bill, because some houses they only have the gas furnace, not the rest. So what I did, I took this off, I banged it, and I checked if the electricity was going through when the board will send electricity. Yes, there's electricity going through here to here, but it wasn't opening this. This acts like a magnet. When it acts like a magnet, it opens the valve. And what I did, I wanted to check if there was electricity, if this switch was good. I wanted to check if electricity was going from here to here. So what I did, when I turned it on, I let it cycle, and I put this here to check if there was any electricity going through. Once I heard it click, the light turned red on this one, and all of a sudden it clicked. It turned on. So there's something wrong with this. The flames did turn on. One more thing, I did check everything, and if your furnace cycles all the way to the igniter, and the igniter lasts from 5 to 8 seconds glowing, that means there's something wrong with the gas. If the igniter turns off pretty quick, that means you need a new igniter. And if this is wrong, if this is bad, this won't turn on. So there's other things that, because if it goes all the way to the igniter, all the sensors work, except either the igniter doesn't last long on with the igniter. But if the igniter lasts real long, glowing red, and this clicks, well, it clicks over here and it sends electricity, then it's this. You're not getting gas into it. It's not opening the valve.